Whether you are an experienced gun handler or a newbie who is interested in getting a concealed carry gun, choosing the best revolver for you might be a difficult task. The best budget revolvers are not hard to find, but to get the best bang for your buck, you have to know what you're looking for and how much it will cost. You don't want a cheaply made gun with bad reviews, but you also don't want to spend $1,000 on the top of the line model either. There are so many options available to you it can be hard to know what's good and what isn't. Here is the list of 7 best budget revolvers in 2022. Ruger LCR 38 Special Plus P $499. An outstanding rework of Ruger SP 101. The Ruger LCR 38 Special Plus P revolver is a more close-packed model with a barrel that's 1.87 inches long. This lightweight compact revolver can be found almost anywhere, and it also comes in different calibers such as 357 or 22. Ruger LCR 38 Special Plus P is a reliable, budget-friendly, and hammerless revolver that won't get stuck on your clothes while drawing. This makes it one of the most popular revolvers on the market. This snubby with a double action trigger pull brings a significant improvement in accuracy over other 38 special models. The revolver's cylinder is made of fluted steel to reduce weight, and its durability is secured by a physical vapor deposition finish. The alloy frame of Ruger LCR 38 Special Plus P is made of aluminum, polymer, and stainless steel. This mixture of materials makes it exceptionally lightweight at only 8 ounces. This brings some crucial stopping power to the LCR 38 Special Plus P. Another upside of this handgun is the available aftermarket customizations. This model also brings an ergonomic hog tamer rubber grip, guaranteeing outstanding steadiness. Smith & Wesson M & P Bodyguard 38 Special Plus P Revolver, $392. The Bodyguard is a 38 Special Plus P caliber with a 5-round capacity and a 1.8-inch barrel length, making it one of the best concealed carry revolvers you can get on the market today. They're relatively rare to find, but if you do, snag one and call it a day. It has black ramp front sights and integral rear sight for maximum accuracy. But there are also aftermarket options available like the Troblo Tritium Pro sights. The Smith & Wesson's M & P Bodyguard 38 Plus P Special Revolver is a double action only revolver, chambered in 38 Special Plus P with a lightweight feel, aluminum upper frame, and ambidextrous cylinder release. The ergonomic one-piece gray polymer grip, 5-round capacity, stainless steel cylinder, and smooth trigger pull make it perfect for newcomers to the revolver party. Smith & Wesson also offers you a lifetime service policy, which is certainly more than welcome for newbies. Colt Night Cobra 38 Special Plus P. Colt Night Cobra is a descendant of the original Colt Cobra. It was redesigned to employ newer manufacturing methods. The parts of this handgun are metal injection molded in order to minimize labor-intensive fitting. Unlike the original model, Night Cobra's frame is built from stainless steel. This makes it heavier than the other revolvers on this list, weighing 25 ounces and measuring at 7.2 inches in length. The cylinder latch represents the classic Colt characteristic, and it must be pulled back to open the cylinder to load or unload. Another typical Colt feature is the clockwise rotation of the cylinder. The trigger also maintains the familiar feel, similar to the classic Colt pistols. The Night Cobra comes with G10 stocks that have no sharp edges that would catch on clothing, or make a holstered revolver easier to see through a cover shirt. This is great, since the Night Cobra was primarily built as a civilian concealed carry revolver. Heritage Rough Rider 22 LR Revolver, $123. If you have none or little prior experience with guns, the Heritage Rough Rider 22 LR is probably the best budget revolver for you. It's lightweight, so shooters with weaker arms will handle it easily, while first-timers needn't be scared of the recoil. Heritage Rough Rider 22 LR comes with 4.75, 6, or 9-inch barrels. After choosing your barrel, you also get to pick the caliber, which is most squarely in the 22 caliber area. Another great feature of this handgun is the wide variety of available grips. Cockaballo is my favorite, but you can also choose between Art Deco, cool flags, and laminate options, no matter your style. Heritage surely has a grip that you'll love. Possible downsides come down to safety, as mentioned, and the fact that the cylinder doesn't pop out. This implies that a speed loader clip isn't an option, so you will have to rotate the cylinder by hand to load each bullet independently. Smith & Wesson 642-38, $449. One of the best-known models on the market, Smith & Wesson 642 Centennial Airweight has been around since 1952. Since this classic revolver has been reliable and versatile from the start, not many changes have been needed or enforced since then. The designer's goal was to create a light, hammerless handgun whose grip will be suitable for larger hands. It's a great choice for home defense and self-defense, but it's also a great choice for a backup gun. The Smith & Wesson 642 consists of a durable frame made of aluminum alloy, a barrel made of stainless steel, and a synthetic grip. At 6 inches long, it makes an outstanding compact revolver. This handgun weighs 14.4 ounces, so it's fairly light. Small weight can, on the other hand, cause some point rise problems. It's not like it's bad at aiming, but the recoil won't be gentle on your hands. Although categorized as 38 Special Plus P, 357 Magnum caliber versions are also available, and the difference is easily noticeable. Aftermarket customizations, such as awesome grips and holsters, are always an option with 642, so I am sure that with a few tweaks, this pistol will easily become one of your favorites. Smith & Wesson 637-38 Special Plus P, $476. Similar to the earlier Model 37, 637's frame is made of aluminum, but its cylinder, crane, and barrel are made of stainless steel. Smith & Wesson 637 also comes with the keylock above the cylinder release. The lack of a hammer-mounted firing pin is the key difference between 637 and its older sister model 642. The Smith & Wesson 637 weighs 15.5 ounces when a 1.875-inch barrel is fully loaded. This revolver has a hammer spur that enables the single-action firing with a light trigger pull. You can also fire in double action. The 637 is ergonomic, featuring a rubber grip wrapped around the grip frame that feels comfortable and sturdy in your hand. Some might find it lacks the classic gritness of the original walnut grips that can be found on Model 37. But the rubber fits it well since the 637 is rated for Plus P ammo. The main downside of this handgun is the exposed aluminum strap back, which can cause slight pain in your hand. After you fire a few shots of the Plus P ammunition, this might induce bad habits such as flinching, resulting in imprecise aiming, and wild shots aren't a luxury you can afford since you're limited to only 5 rounds. Taurus 605 357 Magnum Revolver, $399. Taurus 605 357 is lightweight, and it won't bulge in the holster, so it's a great pick for a concealed carry. Despite its rather small size, this revolver can produce some serious damage due to its 357 caliber. This caliber size is highly destructive to soft material targets. So in case you want to purchase a revolver that is small but extremely powerful, the choice should be easy. Keep in mind that Taurus 605 357 is one of the best options for experienced shooters. We wouldn't suggest this handgun to the newbie users since it can be really loud, while the firing power may prove too hard to handle.